Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's time to start building our dream. So we are currently at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion up in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're headed into the LeConte Center. Ruby's parked way back there in the nosebleed section. Some lots and lots of Jeeps up here. We're going to go in here. We're going to see some new gadgets and gear. This is a once-a-year event, similar to Jeep Beach. Everybody shows up, comes out, brings out their Jeep. Early access. Check us out over on Instagram and TikTok, and make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Keep coming back for more. I'm going to try to post more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Roll the video. Guys, so this place is absolutely packed. Vendor on top of vendor. We got t-shirts over here, and then we got Midland Radio over here. So the Midland Radio Jeep. As you see, vendors all throughout the conference center. Pretty sweet. We'll see who all we can find. Alright guys, here's some of the Apex chassis. So their steering setup, the Ford, all joints. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Going up to the outdoor portion, it was really loud and packed in there, nice and cool though. But we're gonna head up the hill. Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Alright guys, here's where all the big trucks are parked. A lot more vendors out here. Hard tops, superchargers, lots and lots of displays. So here's the Summit Racing booth. Always have all kinds of goodies. Nito tires, rugged radios, Skyjacker, brought their big setup. Dana, all the big names are here. It's a Magnaflow booth. Lots of cool builds here. Great sounding exhaust, especially with diesels. Alpine sound systems, a little bit of everything. Here's the Rhino guys again. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a work truck rack. Must be brand new. That's a pretty cool setup. There's a ARB fridge. That's pretty cool. I like the elements. So these guys, between Tom's 4-wheel drive and a few of their partners, they're actually giving away a 392 this weekend. Free installation, everything else. And so they've partnered up with Dakota Customs, Revolution Paradox. They've got some crazy horsepower builds. This one's a 1250. I think they'd make all the way up to 1600 horsepower. Another supercharged Hemi. And then here's classic 5.7 stuffed into the old Cherokee Chief pickup or Comanche. It's pretty cool. It's a good looking truck. Let's see if it's got any 5 speeds in these things. There it is, baby. 5-speed manual with 5.7. Twin stick low range on this one. All the piping, everything's got to be heat protected for all the supercharger heat that it puts out.
Yeah.
That's cool. Sweet builds. By far the biggest DOT tire you can get. 53-inch tire. That thing is huge. Look at this. It's massive. The Toyo guys, when we were down in Florida at Jeep Beach, they've got some new Jeeps they brought out. Pretty sweet Gladiator here. 40, 15, 50, 20s. They even have a little Jeep icon down there, like the stock. It's pretty cool. Pretty sweet build. Inside and out, clean. So if you haven't heard about Artec Industries, they actually make weld-in DIY kits so that you can put a truss on your Jeep or a 60 conversion. Make custom bumpers, all kinds of things, but they're really lots of custom fab parts. They make inner fender liners, all kinds of things. Big build right here. The rear truss. These are all DIY kits. Get the front truss. They have different linkages, and then here the inner C's to beef it up, because the C's on the stock 44s aren't as strong as 60s or 80s. Rear full bore fabrication. This is Athena from Athena Off-Road. Love this kayak setup. Pretty cool design. Big tires on XJ. It's pretty cool. So here we are at the AMW booth, America's Most Wanted. These guys put down some serious Hemi power. They now have the axle conversions. This company's really blown up, especially in the Gladiator market. If you need a demon swap, the guys at Epic, they do all the demon swaps and everything with AMW kits. Sweet. So far it's been a pretty cool day. I haven't really talked to anybody. It's hot out. It's a cool wrap. I did talk to the guys at AMW up near the Arctic booth. They do have a Hemi swap manual. They put a get rag transmission in with 6-speed, so we may have to go check that out. And if we don't have time, we'll at least know it's possible. The Rocklander. It's a sweet setup.
Well, here we are again, back with Toto, 87.9 on your dial. By the way, racing optics.
Waves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
That's going to be a wrap for today. We're going to head back towards Savannah, and if you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you get the notifications for early access. Check us out on Instagram and TikTok. And once again, I get to share my dream with you, but the true purpose of this channel is to help motivate, inspire, and inform you guys so you guys can get out there and start building your dream.